In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious and easy breakfast recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 slices of bread, 3 eggs, toothpicks, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. We're going to start by rolling out the bread to be as flat as they can be. We're going to pinch together the corners of each bread slice and add a toothpick to hold it together. The final shape should look like a bowl. In a bowl, we're going to crack our eggs, and then we're going to place them in our bread bowls. Season each egg with salt and pepper. Bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Once out of the oven, let them cool completely and remove the toothpicks. Our delicious and easy breakfast recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.